This meeting is being recorded.
See, what are the queries you have seen? First one, create query. Create query you studied. Create table, table name, roll number, number 3, name, varchar to 10. Roll number, number 3, varchar to 10. After that, marks, number 3. This is first SQL query you studied. Second one, insert into student values like a roll number, name, marks. Third one, select star from student. 3 SQL queries you studied. Now, this first SQL query, is it DDL or DML or DQL? DDL, data definition language. That program I given, that program is same for any DDL query. Query only different. Alter also, drop also, any other also DDL query. Java program is same. Query only different. Okay. Second program, it is DML. DML, data manipulation language. Insert program I given. Any other DML program, Java program same. Query different. Okay. Any select query, that Java program same. Okay. Now in Eclipse, yesterday you have seen. 1 minute. These all I'll close. These all JSP programs. It is Java EE perspective open. I'll close. Now, whatever I given yesterday, say window, perspective, open perspective, other. Select Java EE. Java. In this, you have seen JDBC. Okay, in this JDBC you have seen. This JDBC, you have seen 2 programs. Insert demo, select demo, these all you have seen. Select demo. This program you have seen yesterday. Okay. In this program, you observe. In this program, you observe. Yesterday we written like this. Say, first of all, select star from student. Select star from student. This is passed to database. From that, you will get a data. The data referred by result set, RS. With that RS, I extracted metadata. That is referred by RM. With that, counting number of columns. After that, printing each column. This is you studied yesterday. So first of all, data comes as an object. That diagram I given yesterday. result. This one. See, from Java application, I send one SQL query. From Java application, I send one SQL query. Then this total data as a result set we received. This result set is referred by RS. This result set is referred by RS. From this metadata extracted, that is referred by RM. With this counting number of columns possible, printing columns also possible. That is we did here. So counting number of columns, printing columns. After this, next line. These all records are printed. Like this you have seen. Like this you have seen yesterday. This program, if I run as Java application. Now see, you are getting records. Roll number, name, marks, 1, 2, 3, 4, all you are getting. Okay. Now, suppose if 10 columns are there, 10 columns are there, these are 10 times you have to write. If 20 columns are there, 20 times you have to write. We have another way also I'll teach. This while loop, you can write different types. Okay. This is one type. This is one type you have seen. Here what I did is, based on column type, we selected data type. Get int, get string, get int. Okay, get int, get string, get int. But like this you can select. One more way also is there, I'll explain. Here what is 1, 2, 3? Column number. Column number. So in this diagram, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, these are column numbers. If you pass column number, that value coming. Column number, value coming. Like this we selected. But instead of column number, we can write column name also. Roll number, year, name, year, marks. It is also valid. Column number also valid. Column names also valid. Now also you'll get a same output. See, right click, run as. Okay, I didn't save. Save. Right click, run as Java application. See, now also same output. So here overloaded methods are there. Overloaded methods. In a result set only, overloaded methods are there. Now here Java P, java.sql.result set. In this result set, same methods overloaded. You observe, you have seen 3 methods. The method names are get string. Okay, like this, every data type separate method is there. You observe, get string, get boolean, get byte, get short, get int, get long, get float, get double. See, every data type one method is there. No, every data type one method is there. Now here, everywhere column here, you observe integer, integer, integer. What is this integer? Column number. Column number. These are column numbers. But once if you scroll down, once if you scroll down, just turn off your videos. Now, once if you scroll down, same method names are there. You observe. See, from here. See, get string, get boolean, get byte, get short, get int, get long, get float, get double. Again, same method names are there. No? But parameter, what is there? String. See, everywhere string. That is column number. This is column name. Method name same. Parameter list is different. It is called method name same. Parameter list is different. It is called method overloading. Method overloading. So same methods overloaded. So you can write the program like this also. What you can do is this complete, no need to write. Already written yesterday program. This is that while loop or this while loop also valid. Just turn off your video. No. This one note on this part. Only this part write it. You already written yesterday complete program. This part also write it. So like this also you can display. Like this also you can display. I didn't get you. For loop. Column names. Roll number, name, marks, heading. Headers are displayed. This is data displayed. Only this while loop write it. Only this while loop, no done. While rs dot next. So get int, get string, get int. So this is one more way. That is column numbers we used. Here column names we are using. Okay. So previous program column numbers we used. Now column names we are using. Is it over? But in both the cases, if 10 columns are there, 10 times you are right. In that case also, this case also. So yesterday, whatever you studied, column numbers 1, 2, 3 we written, but here roll number, name, marks I'm writing. Suppose 10 columns are there, then 10 column names you are right. There 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that, 10 on to 10 you are right. But we have another way with get string method only you can call all. So what you can do is instead of writing like this, we have another way. Here already number of columns purpose, we got it n value here. That is you can write for loop here again. For integer I equal to 1, I less than or equal to n, I plus plus. Now all you can print with string format, because suppose if I write like this, is it integer or string? String. Is it integer? Is it string or float? The string only, no? Like this. With the string, all we can retrieve. That's what we can do here. You can write like this: system.out.print rs dot get string of I. Just turn off your videos. If it is webinar, we can turn off, but see, rs dot get string of I. After this, we can write slash t. Say here first column printed, but first column roll number is there. But what I used? String I used. If with get string method, any type data you can print with the get string, because integer also you can retrieve, float also you can retrieve, but you cannot perform calculations. You cannot perform other operation. Only printing purpose okay. But if you want to calculate, suppose C language marks is there, C++ marks is there, Java marks is there. You want to add. If you add strings, what will happen? Concatenated. That is you have to take care. Only printing means possible. See, rs dot get string 1, 2, 3 like that comes. Okay. Now after this, next line, system dot out dot println. Now if I run this program, now also same output comes. See, now also same output comes. See, right click, run as Java application. See, now also same output, but these all are strings only. You cannot perform other operations. Only printing purpose it is okay. Now even 20 columns also same code. Even 20 columns also this code only. Code no need to change. 20 columns also this one only. But previous one 20 lines you have to write. Okay, write this one also. Complete no need to write. Only for loop write, while loop write it. Only this part write it. Is it over? So we can write like this also. So now even 20 columns also same code, because with the number of columns loop we written. This is number of records. This is number of columns. Is it over? So here get string of I, but all our string format comes. Okay. Now here, is it clear? Now while running a program, if you are getting class not found exception, class not found exception you are getting means what is the mistake? Path. That is a path. In a Eclipse, what you have to do already told. This JDBC, one folder we created. In this folder, I am writing all JDBC programs. Okay, one project I created. The project name is called JDBC. That is whatever you given. On that, right click. After that, build path. After that, configure build path. In this, you have to click on libraries. You have to click on class path. After that, you have to click on add external jars. From that, you have to select OJDBC 6_G. Suppose if your Oracle version is 19C or 21C, that file name will be OJDBC 8_G. OJDBC 8_G. That file you attach. Okay. Uh, in Eclipse, if in normal environment variable class path is there, no, that is manual. In Eclipse, you have to do like this. Okay. In Eclipse, but a manual, after setting class path also, you are getting same error. That means your class path mistake. But here that problem will not occur because you are going to select, that's it. You are not going to type. That problem will not come in Eclipse. Okay. But after writing also, still you are getting error in Eclipse means, suppose if you write, suppose by mistake it is capital letter written. Definitely same error comes again. That class not found. Okay. Suppose if you write O capital, otherwise here O small letter, this is O small letter, again same error comes. That class not found, class not found only. Okay. Suppose few people what they are doing is here instead of dot they are writing colon. Definitely error comes. That URL is colon is there syntax, but here is package name dot subpackage name dot subpackage name dot class name. That is syntaxes you have to follow. Okay. But still class path also given. Still you are getting listener related error, TNS error or adapter error. That means Oracle software not installed properly. That is you have to uninstall, you have to install. Otherwise, troubleshooting purpose, you have to go to administrator, system administrator. Okay. Troubleshooting you can do. You cannot do. Myself also I cannot do. The troubleshooting is one more course. Okay. That's what you can do. Either uninstall, install, or go to system administrator. If you are facing that problem, TNS listener error or network adapter error could not establish the connection, that type. Suppose error message is service ID, SID related error. That is this error. Service ID if you write wrong, it is express edition XE. For enterprise edition ORCL. That may be different will be there. How to get that service ID? Select a star from global underscore name. Select a star from global underscore name. Whatever you write, that is, you'll get it. You'll get it. That is your right. Suppose select a star from global underscore name. If you write, suppose 10-20 words are there. First word only write it. Suppose sometimes 10-20 words it shows. First word only write it. Whatever is there. Generally, either XC will be there or ORCL will be there. Okay. While installation, if it changed means maybe other comes. Otherwise, either XC or ORCL. Port number also maximum times either 1521 or 1522 comes. If it install, uninstall, install, uninstall means sometimes 22 also may comes. That is. Okay. You are getting network adapter error or TNS listener error. That is, we cannot solve. You have to go to administrator only, system administrator. Okay. Otherwise, uninstall, install. But if it is enterprise edition, uninstallation also not easy. Okay. That's what better to go for express edition. That is 21C also okay, but express edition only select. It is more better. Okay. Already these notes I given no. You have to right click, build path, configure build path. Here libraries, class path, add external jar. You select the jar file. With this, you will not get a problem with Eclipse because you are not going to type. You are going to select only. That's what 99% you will not get a problem with Eclipse if you use Eclipse. Okay. Now, suppose after writing that program, suppose at the command prompt, if you type Java P, if you have typed Java P, you are not getting like this means Java P will not work. Java P is not recognized as an internal or external command. You are getting error means that is Java software path you have to set. The Java software path is this one. C drive, program files, Java, JDK bin. In this, Java P will be there. Java P. Then this path you have to set. This path. C drive, program file, Java, whichever version is there. In my system, 16 is there. JDK 16 bin. In your system, whatever is there, that version. This path you have to set. But this is path, not class path. This is path. Okay. If you are getting that error, this error, that Java P not recognized means you need to set this path. Okay. If you are facing problem means mail to my mail ID. I'll give a system administration number. That admin timings also I'll give. At the time only you have to contact. Okay. See. But first of all, you make a setup. Either at least Eclipse. Type 2 driver, if it is not working, leave it. Type 4 is working means continue. Okay. No need to go for type 2. Leave it. Some versions type 2 is not working properly. Type 2 if it is not working, means leave it. Type 4 you continue. Type 4 also not working means I'll give admin number, system admin number, you contact them. Okay. That timing also I'll give, that time only you contact. He'll be busy. That's what timings I'll give. Now, is it clear? Create statement, insert, update, these all you can write. Is it full screen is not available? Is it full screen or off screen you are getting? Just online students. It is full screen. Is it visible? Full screen. Okay, 1-2% means problem maybe your side. Not full screen. How many people are facing problem with screen? Just raise your hand. Okay, 1 minute. 1 minute. Okay, 1 minute. The setting not available with me. Just wait. Check it out. Now check it out. Is it full screen now? Now is okay. Now is it okay? Now is it okay? Full screen? No? Problem maybe your side also will be there. Just you click on view options here. Participant screen view option will be there. Okay, view option will be there. In a view option, select the zoom ratio. Okay. See, three programs you have seen. Three programs. Create, insert, select. Three programs you have seen. Next one, prepared statement. Note on. Prepared statement. Okay. Next one, prepared statement. It is used to execute dynamic SQL queries. It is used to execute dynamic SQL queries. It is used to execute dynamic SQL queries. Examples. Say three queries you have seen. In three queries, create query. In a create query, values will not be there. That's what create query as a dynamic not possible. Insert query. Insert into student values. Here values place you can write question marks. This is called dynamic query. Okay. Insert query you can do. Suppose select a query. Select a star from student. This one we cannot make it dynamic. Dynamic means values place question marks if you write. That is dynamic. But table name place question mark and the data type place question mark you should not write. Okay. Like a select star from question mark you should not write. Like otherwise, select a star from student where roll number equal to question mark. Like this, okay. It is called dynamic query. Okay. This is one dynamic SQL query. This is one dynamic SQL query. Like this you can write. So here values will pass dynamically. Here this value will pass dynamically. That purpose. Prepared statement. It is used to execute dynamic SQL queries. It is used to execute dynamic SQL queries. We have tried query like this. Values dynamically we have to pass. So here roll number, name, marks dynamically you can pass. But in this line, only roll number you can pass dynamically. Okay. See, further what will happen? You are going to see after JDBC, you are going to see Soulets. At the time we use HTML. At the time we use HTML, we'll enter like this. Like roll number, name of the student, marks of the student. Like you'll get a one graphical user interface with HTML. We'll enter. After that, submit button. Like this you'll write. Whenever you here, you'll type roll number, you'll type name, you'll type marks. You are going to click submit button. Whenever you click on submit button, these all values whatever you entered, these all we have to retrieve. These all we have to retrieve, and then we have to store in database. In that situation, these all you have to place here. Okay. So roll number, name, marks, you'll enter. You'll click on submit button. These values will be received. These values you have to insert here. So in that situation, we'll go for dynamic. Okay. But now it is JDBC you are learning. After JDBC, Sowlets you'll learn. At the time, what will happen? This program is nothing but HTML. That program receiving nothing but one more program. That is Sowlet. This program nothing but JDBC. HTML, Sowlet, JDBC. Like that you are going to learn. That is just after JDBC. After completion of this topic, you will see this type of programs. Okay. At the time, login form, registration form, online shopping, online exams, online results, that type of programming will be there. That is very interesting. But this all knowledge required. Okay. Now you are going to enter dynamically data. The data you can receive. Who will receive is Sowlet program. Who will store in database is JDBC program. So at the time, all I'm going to mix HTML, Sowlet, JDBC, XML, in a Tomcat, Eclipse, browser, these all will mix. Many things will be there further. Okay. At the time, we record prepared statement. At the time, we record prepared statement. Okay. Prepared statement, that purpose. How to execute this prepared statement program, I'll explain. Say, like this one diagram I'll explain. Say, Java application. Here, database. Say, from Java application. Now present you are not learning HTML later. Now Java application, here Oracle database. Now what we'll do here, we'll send SQL query to insert a record. But query, dynamic query will write. Dynamic query. First incomplete query, later will complete. SQL request, SQL response. Now see, at the command prompt, can I pass, you studied command line arguments in core Java? Command line arguments. See, at the command prompt, Java, suppose prepared statement demo, one class name, I'll write. Java prepared statement demo. I'll pass roll number. Roll number, name, marks, I'll pass here. Suppose a table. In this table, already 2 records are there. Third record I'm inserting, assume. Or already 1 record is there. Second record I'm inserting. Suppose roll number, name of the student, marks of the student. Suppose only 1 record is there. Second record I'll insert. Now here 1 record is there. Second record I want to insert. Then what I'll do is, while running a program, roll number, name, marks I'll pass here. Roll number, name, marks I'll pass. So while running a Java program only, I'll pass roll number, name, marks. That is, I'll insert in a query. Now say here SQL query. Insert into student values. Question mark, question mark, question mark. What we'll do is, this roll number I'll insert here. This roll number I'll insert here. This name I'll insert here. This marks I'll insert here. So it is starting first, it is incomplete query. These values comes, it is completed. When this query executed, here record inserted. Here record is going to be inserted. Roll number 2, something triple B, 77. So like this, you are going to learn. But in previously what you studied is directly values in the program I written. Now what I am doing, dynamically I am passing. Dynamically I am passing. So these two inserted, triple B inserted, 77 inserted. This is going to be executed. Okay. Write this one. This is dynamic SQL query. This is dynamic SQL query. Write this code, write this diagram. Satish. Satish. So it is incomplete query. Whenever values comes, it is completed. This type of queries, if you want to execute, PLSQL, prepared statement interface required. Is it over? So in a program, we'll write a query, dynamic query. Values at the command prompt while executing Java program I'm passing. Okay. Dynamical, if you want to pass, this is one way. One more way, scanner class. Scanner class you studied, no? With that also possible. One more way, system.in.read. In a Java streams topic you learn. That is also possible. Okay. One more way, HTML program. That is next topic. That is in advanced Java. Okay. Three ways is studied in core Java. Command line arguments like this possible, with scanner class possible, with system.in.read. That is also possible. Okay. But system.in.read is complicated. That is you need to convert always. That always returns byte array. But scanner class directly whichever type you want, that is possible. But this is always written string. Command line arguments are strings only, no? So strings. Is it over? No. Now see how to execute. We'll see now. For this, prepared statement required. Prepared statement. Java P, Java dot SQL dot prepared statement. Here methods are there. With that methods, you can write. Here all setter methods are there. Just three methods I'll give. One is integer purpose, one is float purpose, one is string purpose. Three methods I'll give. Now after that, execute, update, execute query. Even these methods also we have. In prepared statement also, same methods. Write this one. This is all not done. The above three methods are used to fill the data. The above three methods are used to execute SQL queries. First parameter is integer. That is question mark number, like a placeholder number. Otherwise, question mark number only write it better. Question mark number starts with one only, not zero. Value. Question mark number and value. So setter methods, set int, set float, set string, like that. For every data type, separate method is there. Present, I given only three methods. Set byte, set short, set long, set float, set double, like that, separate method. Execute, update, execute query, same method names. In a statement interface also we have methods. In a prepared statement also we have methods. Same method names. Execute, update, execute query. Is it over? So prepared statement reference dot setter methods you can call. Prepared statement reference dot these execute methods you can call. Again depends upon SQL query, you can choose. So all method throws SQL exception, all are public abstract only. Return type, method name, parameters important. Okay. Is it over? See this program now in Eclipse also different, edit plus also different. Because Eclipse what will happen here, command line argument you have to pass different way. I'll show you. Now you see here in with edit plus I'll show you first. See sub prepared statement demo. Okay, prepared statement demo here. First, this is common class dot for name oracle dot jdbc dot driver dot oracle driver. Connection establishment. This is common driver manager dot get connection jdbc colon oracle colon thin colon at localhost 1521 XE system manager. This is common. Okay. Now we require prepared statement. What we have tried? Prepared statement. Something PSTMD. For getting prepared statement, connection interface methods are given. 3 methods are given. In a connection interface, 3 methods are given. No? For call getting statement interface, create statement method. For getting prepared statement, prepare statement method. For getting callable statement, that is not there. Prepare call. Prepare call is there. Okay. For statement, create statement is there. For prepared statement, prepare statement is there. For callable statement, prepare call is there. Already notes are given. So connection reference dot prepare statement. Here we have to pass dynamic SQL query. Here insert into student values. Here question marks. Suppose question mark 1, 2, 3. 3 question marks are written. Now this is dynamic SQL query. This is dynamic SQL query. Now it is called incomplete query. Values are not there. We have to fill the data. Just now I given data methods. What are the methods required? See here depends upon data type. You have to select. Depends upon data type. You have to select. Now prepared statement. Now first one, first column roll number. Roll number which type? Integer type. Name which type? String type. Marks which type? Integer type. So prepared statement dot set int question mark number 1 value at the command prompt I'll pass. Who will receive? Args. Command line arguments. Command line arguments are received by main method. Main method parameter is args. That will receive. That which format received? String format received. That is array. Array index starts with 0. Args of 0. Args of 0 which type? String type. But which type required here? Integer type required. How to convert? ParseInt method. ParseInt method in which class? Integer class. That is static method or non-static method? Static method. How to call? Integer dot parseInt. Args of 0. Okay. Next prepared statement dot name. Name which type? string type. So set string. Second question mark. Now args of 1 because it is string only required. No need of conversion. Next prepared statement dot set int. Column question mark number 3. After that integer dot percent args of 2. So at the command prompt, first argument index is 0, second argument index is 1, third argument index is 2. But this is array, that's what 0, 1, 2. But this is not array. 1, 2, 3. So this question marks number 1, 2, 3 only you write. It is 1, it is 2, it is 3. Like that only you write. Now here incomplete query, that is completed. That is incomplete with these 3 lines completed. Now you can execute. For executing, execute required or execute update required or execute query required. Execute update. Prepared statement dot execute update. This execute update method doesn't take any parameter, you observe. But in previous statement interface also same method is there. That method takes parameter, but it doesn't take parameter. So statement interface program you studied. In that we passed query here, but query we have to pass here. It is different. So prepared statement, it is prepared. It is prepared. Values are filled. It is executed. But previous programs create statement we called. At that time we didn't write query. Query we written here. Inside the execute methods only we written query. So that is different. This is different. After that, one message. System.out.println one record inserted successfully. Okay. Now it will throw exceptions. So try catch blocks. Try. At last catch. Exception E. System.err.println E. Now connection interface driver manager class prepared statement interface in which package? Java.sql. Now this program. See this program file save. Prepared statement demo .java. Okay, save. Now I'll compile. Java C prepared statement demo.java. Successfully compiled. Prepared statement demo. Here we have to pass. First of all, SQL prompt I'll open. SQL prompt. Select a star from student. First, how many records are there? See, already 4 records are there. Roll number 5 I'll insert. Roll number 5 I'll insert. Roll number 5 triple E 67. See, this is args of 0. This is args of 1. This is args of 2. These all string format only received. That's what in a program I converted. Here integer format converted, here integer format converted. Okay. After that inserted. Now you can check. See, if I press enter, one record inserted successfully. Whether inserted or not, I want to confirm. Here. See, roll number 5 inserted. This program, if you write in Eclipse configuration different. Because here Eclipse here command prompt I'm using, but in Eclipse you have to configure command and argument. You have to configure. I'll teach. First you write this program. In Eclipse also I'll teach. See, 1, 2 programs, if you understand, remaining programs are nothing in JDBC. Later solid also like that only. 1, 2 programs, if you understand, further program, same style will be there. So advanced Java, very easy. Just how to access Java library if you know. Just turn off your videos. So if you don't pass arguments, what will happen? Error comes. Array index out of bounds exception. If we don't pass argument, direct we are using 0, 1, 2, 3 arguments we are using. So index out of bounds error comes. Array index out of bounds exception. Is it over? Here, see, if we don't pass arguments, Java prepared statement demo. See, 3 errors. This error, length, see, array index out of bounds 0, exception. Index 0 out of bounds for length 0. So in this line only program stopped. In this line, 1 argument if you pass, in this line stopped. 2 arguments if you pass, in this line stopped. 3 arguments if you pass, then only executed. See, if I pass only roll number, same error comes. Same error. See, array index out of bounds exception. So you need to pass arguments. These arguments here, how to pass? This is here, after selecting the program, run as run configuration. Here, arguments we have to pass here. Okay, this is I'll show you tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll give the notes. Tomorrow we'll see continuation. Okay. Online students, just to wait 5 minutes. Online students, wait 5 minutes for your doubts.